So after describing in so much of detail how the creation has been coming, the Brahmaji just accepts that the Lord cannot be completely understood. So when we are presented with some topic which we cannot understand or which goes above our head, like overhead transmission, the one simple thing that people like to do is close the book and keep it aside, because the subject matter is not going into our head. But interestingly, the Brahma doesn't say there is no use in understanding him, just trying to understand the Lord, just give it up. Don't try to understand Lord or don't think about it. That's what the materialistic people mostly do. They don't want to enter into the discussion of the spirituality. So next, the Brahmaji, what he proposes next was this. He says, we cannot understand the Lord, but we keep glorifying his incarnations and his activities. Yasyavatara karmani gayanti hi asmadadayah nayam vidanti tatvena tasmai bhagavati namaha. Whose incarnations and activities are chanted by us for glorification, although he can hardly be fully known as. We can hardly know him fully. So just because the Lord's activities are going over head doesn't mean that we completely give up the Lord, but the way of knowing the Lord is also here Brahmaji is giving. In the first canto, the incarnations are being recited because Saunaka Rishis are asking. But if we come in the second canto, Narada Muni has not asked also to explain the various incarnations of the Lord. But Brahmaji takes a chance. After describing whole creation, he says, this is not the end. We need to describe the pastimes of the Lord also. And he goes on into describing various pastimes, gives a list over there. So Prabhupada writes in the purport there nicely, one should not expect the Lord to be an order-supplying agent who must be present before us as soon as we desire to see him. We must be ready to undergo the prescribed devotional duties following the path shown by the predecessors in the disciplic succession from Brahma, Narada and similar authorities. So, what is the process that Prabhupada is mentioning over here is Shravanam and Kirtanam. When we do Shravanam and Kirtanam of the pastimes of the Lord, that's when we start understanding the Lord.